Okay guys, I wanted to share a product with you. This is SuperClean, so it's a industrial strength cleaner. They make a wheel cleaner, they have a foaming spray, and then they have the standard pump bottle, right? So you can choose which way you like to buy it. I will tell you it's a lot more expensive to buy the foam per ounce, crazy more expensive than to buy the standard pump bottle. And you could buy a pump bottle like this, and they also do sell like a bulk gallon. But this is my wife's Cherokee. This thing is just really rough. It hasn't been cleaned in honestly, I'm embarrassed to say it, probably 3 or 4 years. You can just see everything is just filth, right? Everything. So what we're going to do is we're not going to use the wheel cleaner, and we are going to use this. I think what I'll do is I'll spray the left half with this and the right half with the foam, and we'll just kind of mist everything down. Give it all a little wetness. Let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm not over applying it. And I do have this car. It is sprayed with Crown, so a lot of the oil film you see like on the shock towers and stuff like that is actually Crown with the dirt stuck to it. Like right now, I can tell you that I'm not a super fan of the spray bottle. I've used it before. This bottle's about half right now, and the spray bottle, the pump is kind of fading on it. Okay, we got that done. Set that down. Now we'll grab this. We'll throw that lid. Give the can a couple good shakes, right? SuperClean, easy spray, aerosol can, biodegradable, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. Alright. So let's just kind of give everything a nice quick hit. Engine cover, this thing, it doesn't mean anything, it's just a piece of plastic, but smells effective, if that means anything to you. You're choking me. And this engine is warm. If you watch down here, you'll see some steam coming off of stuff. She just did bring it home from work. She works about 10 miles away. Yeah, the foam, like I said, expensive, but boy, the application is nice, isn't it? Yeah, it's just like so fast and easy. And you can sort of see what you're hitting better. Get them horns nice and clean. My wife hit a deer, headlights busted off. I got to get this car all apart. So we'll be down in all this stuff, tearing this all apart to get all the headlight crud out of there and replaced. $1,500 at HID. It's one of them HID like round bulbs. Alright, I'll throw the waste on there. So let this sit just long enough to for me to go get the hose. And I usually use a pressure washer, but I use the 40-degree wide wand, so it's a low pressure hit. I don't like hitting under an engine compartment with high pressure and getting saturated inside the plugs and whatnot. So I will use a pressure washer, but not pressure, if that makes sense to you. All right, good enough. I'm happy. You happy? All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so this, like I showed you in the earlier part of the video, is the SuperClean. I used some of the hand pump spray, and I used some of the aerosol. It's had a few minutes to sit. You can see it's starting to dry out. I got a 40-degree wand, a light pressure wand on the pressure washer, and let's see what all comes off of it. Don't care. All right, I'll let it dry and then I'll bring the video back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so the aftermath. I gave it some time to dry. This is the SuperClean family of products. So these are the two that we used. I used the foam more on the right side, and then I used the pump spray, which should be the identical product, just the way they're dispensed. And I used that on the left side. So you saw earlier in the video, you know, everything was pretty oily. There's some dirt remains. Call that my fault. I wasn't really paying attention to the cowling up there that much, but looking at the engine, this is 110,000 mile 2016 Jeep Cherokee. I did clean my K&N filter and the pre-filter, re-oil it, put that back on. And you want to make sure if you ever are using an oiled filter, you do not oil them heavy. You just put enough oil you can see the dye. That's all you use, or you'll wipe out your sensors. So just be careful with that. But looking around, the SuperClean did clean everything really well. Now I couldn't really get back there to rinse. Let's see if I can. Yeah, you can see I can get that film off. Let's see there, a little bit on my fingers. I'm not faulting that to the SuperClean. I was pretty much coming from like this angle, and this angle, doing my cleaning, but it cleaned them the white bottles. Like that bottle was pretty much black. This one wasn't as bad. This bottle back here, your coolant, was pretty much black. So the SuperClean really did get in there, and it broke down. Like I said, this thing had crown rust proofing, which will be reapplied here in a month or two. But that oil, it makes everything a sticky, oily film, and then your dirt sticks to it, which is not a bad thing. That's desirable for crown, to get the dirt to stick to the oil and kind of build up a thickness to it, and it makes a waterproof layer of dirt and oil over all the metal. But for, you know, this is a little bit over 110,000 miles. Like I said, this is October 2015 build. I bought it right before, I think the week before Halloween 2015. And underneath, everywhere, there's no rust on this thing. Like, I know I'm supposed to be talking about SuperClean, but I'm going to talk about Crown a little bit. And I know everybody likes the new thicker wax type stuff, but you know, like, you see the lightest of rust there. And I actually didn't crown this thing until 2 years ago is when I started. But for a 10-year-old car, I'll call it half-life, you know, at 110,000 miles, you hope to get a couple 100,000 out of your car. This thing's still pretty tight, and everything works good, but the SuperClean really did super clean the whole engine compartment. I did spray down the radiator and the transmission cooler and all that, you know, the cooling stack. Some of the bugs are still down in there. You can see them down in there. I can't really get in there with the pressure washer to get that because you have all the plastic grilling in the way. I did the best I can with that. But the SuperClean products definitely broke down a lot of the oil and dirt film and really cleaned this thing up, which is really great because next week we're going to be dropping this bumper off and replacing the headlight, the fog light down below it. The LED stack we're going to leave be, even though it's starting to get UV, see if you can see it, the UV damage to it. Over here it's even worse. You can see all the haze on it. I was going to replace them, but I don't want to spend the money. The LEDs all still work. I'll replace them if I have to someday. But the SuperClean products, they work. They're available on Amazon as well as other places. You can go to the SuperClean website and you could look up places, different places to order and buy, check pricing, see what you want. Not a bad product at all. So there you go, SuperClean. Good for cleaning your engines, your tractors, all your lawn and garden equipment, farm equipment, automotive, semi-trucks, motorcycles, all that. You could buy SuperClean and put it to use and clean your stuff up, look like almost like new again. All right, guys, thank you.